What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be replacing the broken adjustment knobs for the passenger seat with a pre-owned piece that I bought off of eBay. Gonna take a seat out, pop the plastic off, replace, and reinstall. Should go pretty quick. With that said, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And after about 35 minutes worth of work, you can see everything is back in and working. Fantastic. So that's going to do it for this one. If you haven't already, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more DIYs, tutorials, and tips. And I will see all of you again on the next one.